Hello everybody, welcome to this new episode of Shockwave Metal Detecting. My name is Feike, your favorite Dutch detectorist as always. And we've got a pretty special video for you today because today we are going to unbox this beauty, the new HF2 high frequency coil by XP Metaldetectors. Well, we all know XP released this elliptic coil just recently, and it is perfect for finding those small targets, so small coins in your highly polluted soil or in your tot lots, in your urban environment, and it has a frequency range of 9 to 120 kilohertz. It has a weight of 350 grams, so it's really lightweight, and of course, like all DEUS II coils, it is waterproof. But we'll get to all the technical specifications in another video. Let's get on with the unboxing. And there it is, the box of the new HF2 coil by XP Metaldetectors. And here we go. We're opening it for the first time. Look at it. There it is. It's brand new in the box with the shaft, carbon fiber shaft, the coil, a booklet and charging cable and some bits to put it all together. There it is, look at it. This shaft, XP Metaldetectors. It is really lightweight because it is made out of carbon fiber, and it has the new charging system right here on the end of the shaft. And this is the charging cable. It slides onto the new charging point. USB. Looking really good. Looking really good. The manual, how to assemble it, with the instructions on it, how to assemble it correctly, and of course the moment you all have been waiting for, the new coil. Look at it, this is really small compared to what I'm used to. Look at this HF2 fast multi-frequency XP Metaldetectors. Look at it. It's brand new, it's so clean, and of course this is the cable which goes through the shaft, and I'm glad they did this because it takes a lot of weight from the coil and into the shaft, so the swinging of the coil will be much lighter, like the DEUS I and the ORX. Look at this, a beautiful coil. The only thing that is left to do is to use it in the field. I'm really happy to have this one, and I'm really looking forward to all the finds that I'm going to find with this. Well, the only thing left to do is use this coil, and I'm really excited. I can't wait to use it in a highly polluted field here to take advantage of all the features it has, and yeah, I'm just really excited. So if you want to know what I'm going to find with this new coil, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, that's it. I just can't wait. I'm really excited to use this one. I'm really excited. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and remember, every find has a story.